passengers on a Delta Airlines flight from Atlanta to London were turned back to their starting point twice after their pilot heard loud noises on the aircraft. Delta Flight 284, scheduled to depart Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport at 7:20 p.m. Tuesday, January 2nd, took off for London at 7:55 p.m., but landed just over an hour later back in Atlanta, according to live flight tracking site FlightAware. Customers were placed on another plane, which was also turned around after its pilot heard a similar abnormal noise, Delta spokesman Michael R. Thomas said in a statement to the Daily News. The unlucky passengers boarded two different aircrafts to try to fly to London. It was unclear if the pilot was the same on both flights, but Thomas said that flights are typically recrewed due to duty time limitations. Thomas said that in both cases, the flight crew elected to return to Atlanta out of an abundance of caution. The flights landed without incident in Atlanta, where customers were provided with overnight accommodations. Passenger Alex Brown told Channel 2 he thought he heard a loud bang during the second flight, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution reported. It was like someone dropping a lead ball on the floor, he said. And a Delta official came back on and said, "We're going to turn around. Everything is okay with the airplane, but we're going to turn around." Delta Flight 284 was scheduled to take off for a third time Wednesday afternoon.